Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at the CCY Power Indicator. This is a currency strength style tool that measures and compares the power of individual currencies across multiple pairs, helping you quickly see which currencies are strong, which are weak, and where the best trends may be forming. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, I want to allow DLL imports. And there we go. You can see how it looks. On MetaTrader, the CCY Power Indicator typically appears as a panel or multi-line display that assigns a strength value to each major currency like USD, EUR, GBP, JPY, AUD, etc. Higher values indicate stronger currencies and lower values indicate weaker ones, so you can immediately identify strong versus weak combinations. For example, pairing a strong currency against a weak one for trend following setups. As for the indicator settings, take a look at the inputs. The indicator lets you choose which currencies and pairs to include in the calculation, plus the look back period used to measure each currency's recent performance. Visual options allow you to adjust colors, line styles, or panel layouts so that strength readings remain clear and easy to interpret on your charts. As for who is for, the CCY Power Indicator is for traders who follow multiple pairs and want an objective overview of currency strengths so they can focus on the most promising combinations rather than guessing. It is a visual decision support tool only, does not execute trades, and works best when used alongside your own chart analysis and risk rules rather than as a standalone buy or sell signal. You can download the CCY Power Indicator using the link in the description below. It gives you a clear trend snapshot across currencies, helping you avoid trading weak directionless pairs and concentrate on markets where one side clearly dominates. If you enjoyed this overview, remember to subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more indicator walkthroughs.